Hey guys, today we are replacing the air filter over here in Audi S3 8V. This is 2-liter TFSI engine, same as in Golf Mark 7, Volkswagen Passat, Skoda Octavia, Seat Leon, what else over there, Porsche Macan. Well, this is a very popular engine and the design of the airbox is the same as in other cars, so there's nothing specific over here. I will show you how to replace the air filter yourself. Of course, you will need a new filter, you will need a T25 drive, torx drive to remove those screws, and we have 8 of them. One is over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Those 8, we don't need to remove this clamp. We can remove the vacuum line over here, but I believe we will have enough room to just lift the airbox cover, remove the old filter, insert the new one, and we should be good. Also, depending on what we will find inside under the old filter, there might be a lot of dry leaves, dust, sand even. You might want to have your vacuum cleaner nearby just to make sure that you have the proper tools to clean whatever is inside. So let's go. The design over here is cool. You don't need to remove those screws entirely. They will just stay in the cover and you will not lose them this way. So it's easy to assemble it back when you are done, especially for the for those two that are hard to reach. You can see that I can do it with just one hand, holding the camera in the other one. So right now I believe we can just lift the airbox cover. No, we will disconnect the vacuum line. Let's do this. I don't want to damage it, so let me place the camera somewhere, maybe here. And I will try to wiggle it out. Okay, here we go. This is out, and you can see there's a mark over here, this white mark. I believe this should be positioned at the top, so you don't twist the vacuum line and it will not have any unnecessary tension when you install it back. So right now let's keep it over here, out of our way. There's a lot of room over here. You can see that you can lift this easily, place it even here on the battery. Will it stay? Yeah. And let's check what's underneath the old filter. Well, not the worst condition, but surely we want to install the new one. And over here that flies, there's an insert over here which you want to also remove to check what's underneath. Okay, so let me cut at this point and let's see what's inside. Update: I needed a hook like this just to grab this and release it and pull it out from the well, it's stuck again. I need to remove it again. Okay, this time I have it in my hands. So you can see that this tray will not restrict the airflow as much as you would expect when looking at it installed, but still I believe some remove it as a performance mode. I will leave it. This is for snow and dust, so it's an additional layer of filtration for those large particles over here. And well, it's pretty clean over here, but still, since I got my vacuum cleaner with me, I will clean this and then we will install the new filter, and we can see how's the difference between those two, well, okay, this fresh one was needed over here. So let's clean it, let's install it, let's put this back together. And we are done. So filter is back in the airbox. All those 8 mounting points are tightened and the vacuum line is installed properly with the white mark at the top. I've used the vacuum cleaner, I've used the T25 torx to remove those screws, and well, this is the old filter. And I've used this hook as well for the snow tray that's inside the airbox. So that's pretty much it for this video, and in next videos I will cover some more of the maintenance stuff over here, like the cabin air filter, like the maintenance reminder reset with OBD11, VCDS or any other diagnostic tool. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.